Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com, the chrisvossshow.com. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and everything we do there. Hey, this is from ifi-audio.com. This is the new Go Blue. This thing is freaking awesome. I love it. I take it to the gym all the time. It's an HD Bluetooth DAC. You can use this with anything to take your headphones on the road with you. And if you want to listen to, high fidelity, high res sound, you can use this to enjoy that as with. It's a pocket portable HD DAC and amplifier. It gives you the best sound from wired, but also gives you wireless. So I just put this on my hip when I go to the gym or wherever I go, and I love it. It's only 26 grams, very small and lightweight, but super powerful. It's going to give you just incredible sound, no matter whether you're using an Apple or an Android. And you just plug it in, and away you go. It comes with a USB-C charging port, which doubles as an audio import, which will give you 24-bit and 96 kilohertz when it's directly plugged in. On top of that, it's got HD Bluetooth 5.1, so it gives you all the LDACs and aptX, HDs, and all the different variations of the latest Bluetooth that you can take and use to get you the best sound. 10-hour battery, so it lasts a super long time. It's got 3 unique stages in the chip inside of it, Bluetooth DAC and amplifier. And I got to tell you, the Swiss chronograph design and implementation they put into the dial makes it so you can dial in the perfect sound. If you ever had that problem that I have with sometimes my headphones where one level's too high, one level's too low, you can't dial in them perfectly, the beautiful brass supporting column and inner workings that they put into the button just works awesome. You can push it and, of course, move it around to different aspects that you want to take and use there. If you have balanced 4.4 enabled headphones, you can equip them as well, or just normal headphones. You can do them as well. It has the X-Bass and X-Bass soundstage in there. If you're familiar with the iFi audio products, we have a number of DACs. They do such a great job. We just love them. It's got the latest Cirrus Logic chip in it, which is an advanced miniature DAC, and it will give you direct drive. It's got TDK technology in it, Rada control type electronics in it. Lots of great stuff that you can have inside of this thing. I got to tell you, for what's packed inside here, it is an awesome killer experience. And it made me go from using just cheap Bluetooth headphones at the gym to being wired in and just getting the best experience and making my gym experience so much better, or wherever you go, etc., etc. So check it out. I highly recommend this. It has a warranty period of 12 months. Go to ifi-audio.com. I certainly love it. Check it out, and check out some of their other amazing products there as well.